Welcome back, and in our top business story, Dubai's prime property prices fell by 4.5% in the second quarter of 2015, as compared to the same period last year, as currency fluctuations have deterred wealthy European investors. That's according to the latest report. Knight Frank's Prime Global Cities Index revealed that prices of luxury real estate in the Emirates also fell by 2.5% in the 3 months to June the 30th, and by more than 3% in the past 6 months. The report revealed that out of 35 real estate markets covered around the world, Dubai ranked 30th. Its report added that with the dirham pegged to the US dollar, a strong currency is affecting Dubai's luxury housing market, leading to a 4.5% drop in prime prices in the year to June. Two key sources of demand, who are buyers from both the Eurozone and Russia, are as a result less active. Globally, the index increased by 2.5% in the year to June, but recorded flat growth in the first half of 2015. Vancouver, Miami and Sydney are the top 3 in terms of annual price growth, while the other 7 of the top 10 performing luxury markets are based in Asia or Australasia. Knight Frank said that Singapore, down 15% year-on-year, was the weakest performing luxury residential market for the 6th consecutive quarter. The Dubai Electricity and Water Authority has announced that it has made significant progress in its 65 million dirham project to increase efficiency and the reliability of water transmission networks in different parts of Dubai. The Water Networks project includes the supply, installation and testing of surge protection devices in 13 water pumping and transmission stations in areas such as Jebel Ali, Mushrif and Hatta. According to DEWA, around 17% of the project has been completed, and they are expecting to finalise it by June 2016. Commenting on the project, which is designed for the Emirates' sustainable growth, His Excellency Saeed Mohammed Al Tayyer, the Managing Director and CEO of the authority, stated that the project involves installing systems that the network in the event of sudden power outages in pumping stations, which results in different water pressures across the network. It was further added that the system should absorb variations in water pressure through special devices installed in the pumping stations to provide the necessary protection. In order to increase capacity on their London flights, Emirates Airline has announced that they will operate Airbus A380s across all of their 8 daily services to Britain's capital from the 1st of January 2016. According to Emirates, the move will add 259 seats per day each way, increasing the capacity from Dubai to London to 3,936 from the current figure of 3,677. Emirates stated that they started operating the double-decker aircraft to London in December 2008. It currently has 35 A380 destinations across its network, with Copenhagen becoming the 36th from the 1st of December this year. The announcement will cement the airline's status as the largest international A380 operator into London. Earlier this week, it added a 3rd daily flight to Birmingham, while also adding Madrid to its daily A380 routes, adding 2,900 seats to the Spanish capital per week. And staying in aviation, FlyDubai has announced in local reports that it will take delivery of 100 Boeing 737-800 aircraft by 2023. The airline is currently eyeing further expansion of routes to India and Pakistan, with the carrier hoping to order 10 planes a year, should the 2 South Asian countries sign more bilateral air services agreements. The airline's CEO, Captain Kenneth Guile, was quoted in local reports as saying that both markets are bullish, as there are 2.5 billion people within a 5-hour radius from Dubai. It was further added that they have managed to capitalise on 1% of the market and that more needs to be done for the remaining 99%. The airline's total weekly flights to Pakistan recorded a 175% increase in July this year, with 55 weekly flights compared to 20 flights by the end of 2014. The carrier had introduced the cities of Faisalabad and Quetta as its latest destinations this year. Meanwhile, the airline's weekly flights to India jumped to 29 in July 2015, compared to just 25 by the end of last year.